Same people. One little one.
Baby dad.
One little baby. One he been gone.
Man, I think gone. See.
Welcome people, welcome back to another video. In the video, I'm going to show you when time I collect the fish pot, you see me? Hopefully, I catch slow crayfish. I would love that, you see me? So, what am I do? I'm going to show you when time I set the fish pot and then reach the river now, then I'm show you I collect the fish pot, you see me? So, don't forget, like the video, drop a comment, subscribe and share the video, touch the bell if you want a video drop, you see me? And also, follow me on Instagram. Follow me TikTok, Stammer TV vlogs. Just stay tuned. So, see to your people, man. Good. People are being ticky. Go on here, so. Them part over there just have been nice, but I don't want them boys to mess with it, see me? I don't want nobody to mess with it. So I want them to go as far as possible. Enough little ticky down here, people. But enough ticky. Like this is going to. It's kind of too small. The big fish right now because the hole is not so big enough. Look on it. I don't know if you can see it properly, but the hole is not so big. Now make one more and then use the one there. Catch fish. So we can take it overnight and come up with the next morning. So I'll come back tomorrow with this, isn't it? I'm going to set it. I'll come back to you tomorrow. So hopefully we catch. I will make it an half dozen or so. You can boil some soup. I never drink that soup before, so I would love to try it, isn't it? Well, it's done with people. Here, man. Mom got as far as possible. I don't want nobody. I think down here is good enough now. I think down here is good enough, so what am I going to do? Well, I'm something down. I'm going to go down here and see what I got on. Why people down here mash up, I swear. I'm showing you place. Funny place. All them part here, you can walk on time, be a sun. All them part there, you see the be a sun on time. Maybe because nobody now coming again. You see me? Why don't you look up? I'm going to show you one part where you see the base and one time. Alright, you see the bushy part there? One time I did base and fine like beach area. I'm gonna set it under there, so. You see me? I think they're so alright, so alright. You see me? Come and put my camera now, so they can see me. People look at change the plans. I think I put it in here, so I think this is a better place. So you can put it there. So I move it from where it is down there and put it right here, so you see me? So stay tuned. So people, reach river now. You see me? We're going to cool off a little bit, you see me, because I walk a long way, so I don't want to get sick, so I cool off a little bit. You see me? And as you see, now the clip I show you that I yesterday, you see me, which is Monday, right? And today Tuesday, so let me see what I go on. I'm going to spin the camera now and show you what I go on, you see me? So people, that's the river. Maybe I swim, I'm not sure. But honestly, I can come at the river and I'm going to the water. And down here empty. Nobody. Not come down here yet. So it seems like say now the best time to come when nobody is here. You see me? So like the fall is there. What they make me feel like I'm going to there, so I make quite a beat down for me, you see me? Yeah. See him there. It makes sense to become a river. You see me? And it's in a business, but it's in a business. People seem like say you're the smart one. Because me walk a long way and it's in a business. See about it, huh? It's in a business. I'm going to pull that because I don't want to get sick, so I'm going to pull that little. Stay tuned. I soon show you I collect the fish pot, so hopefully I catch crayfish. You see me? I would love that, so stay tuned. Remember, like, comment, share and subscribe. People, I have to come on a far zero and come back. Like a far zero and all this, I have to come try that. You see me? It's one there. So because everybody shallow, You know, they bang up to get little deeper, you see me? So, right this up, you see the fish pot. So, we'll look at something. So people, I'm gonna check the fish pot now and see what's going on. I'm just gonna show you some shots on the water and we have fun and all that. Yeah. Nice place. You see me? Hopefully we don't drop because this I'm full with this. You see me? Because the camera battery dead and I only bring one battery. You see me? So I have to take time today. I go on them there. You see me? I have to take my little time. People, moment that you would. So I'm going.
Yeah, fool me now and Jack now. Yeah, fool me now and Jack. Don't say warm me man like dopey down here son. One fish them man.
So people.
You put your thing fish down there, brother.
Big one.
Yeah, nice.
People, moment that you would. I see what I go on Peter now. Didn't catch anything.
Alright, he's going for the fish pot. Give you a jump mouth.
Yo!
Alright.
Ah!
And catch 1, 2.
So people, you catch one crayfish.
See man? Don't think you can think
And
man.
2 little raw man. And 2 little fish.
Just take them out, brother.
Yeah, because we keep them there. And one.
Yeah, it smells like you're dead to brother.
Yeah. So the people, I let them fish them and keep the crayfish. You see me? Because me keep them. I'm not sure them what go on. Somebody throw something there down here, don't smell bad man.
See him there?
The people, that makes sense.
You're not afraid him bite you?
And these people.
Him far out man. You can make him fly.
You look at pregnant people, they can belly fat. See? Belly look fat. So?
I'm gone man.
This is the meat people. So, I just stray away so fish can eat here who they want it.
Set back your pot man.
Set it back?
Yeah, set it back. I'll come back.
Tomorrow.
Alright, Friday.
No, you're gone people. I just throw it away and come back next day, see me?
Alright, set back your pot. Put it over there so.
People, I just come back next time. You see me? So stay tuned. See people? One little one.
Baby dad.
One little baby. One more people gone.
Man, look at thing gone. See me? Catch him. Catch him. Yo, don't make him get away now. Put him back in the pod.
People, he not go to the car.
Lock him back.
You want me catch it? We catch one in a 24 hour. Now I'm going to get the people. I came home. I'm going to show my sister them, isn't it? Because they're excited for some catch. So I bring it to home. I'm reach home now. I just roast and we can see me. So just stay tuned. So people, if you reach right here, so that means say I'm gonna make it to the end of the video. You see me? That means say you're a golden one. Right? And so before, I catch one crayfish. One small one. You see me? I'm gonna show my sister them, my two man sister them because them very excited. Some say, oh, now let him go, I just bring a show them. You see me? So, yeah. So like the video, subscribe, push the bell, tell somebody about me because enough more adventurous video like this are forward. You see me? Yeah. And this is my first time catching crayfish, you know. First time making a fish pot. See me what? First time making a fish pot, you see me? First time and we catch one. So I'm gonna take 24 of catch one, not this. You see me? So one thing, just leave in the comment section, you see me? Yeah. So just follow my Instagram, I said before, Stammer TV Vlogs, the personal Instagram page, Jeff876, you see me? Follow my TikTok, Stammer TV Vlogs also. Yeah. You can find my platform, I said before, Stammer TV Vlogs, right through. So before, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm out.